Moving current window to another desktop in Windows 11 using shortcut keys. The year is 2021. In Windows 11, how can I move the current focused window to the next Windows desktop using shortcut keys only? I know that I can switch desktops using these combinations. Win plus Control plus, switch to the next desktop. Win plus Control plus, switch to the previous desktop. Adding the following shortcut keys seem most comfortable to me, and used in Ubuntu. Win plus Control plus Shift plus, move current window to the next desktop. Win plus Control plus Shift plus, move current window to the previous desktop. Similar shortcut keys to above would be acceptable. But even better if I can remap them to my preferred combination. Is there anything like this out of the box? Or do I need to install some third-party tools?
Win plus Control plus Shift plus, move current window to the next desktop. Win plus Control plus Shift plus, move current window to the previous desktop. This awk script works for me. You can find more at this URL and this URL.
As I haven't used AutoHotkey before, I needed to figure out a few additional steps, compared to what is explained in the existing answers, to find a working solution. Download and install AutoHotkey. Clone the vd.awk repository. It is an AutoHotkey library adding several script functions for managing virtual desktops. Inside the clone directory, create a new file, arbitrary name, ending with .awk, and paste the content from it Lorenzo Morelli's answer into it. Double-click the script to run it. The shortcuts, Win plus Control plus Shift plus, move current window to the next desktop, Win plus Control plus Shift plus, move current window to the previous desktop, should now work. To make sure the script runs on every Windows startup, create a shortcut to it and put it into the folder for your startup programs. Open that folder by typing, shell column startup, in the window that pops up after you hit Win plus R.
I put the full AutoHotkey script taken from the @voids answer for helping unexpert/lazy people smile. No sure which version is being discussed in this thread, but as of this date, the 22nd of July 2022, it is easy to move Windows among Win 11 virtual desktops. Select the VD icon on the taskbar, an active desktops bar appears at the bottom of the current display. Hover your mouse over it, then over the source desktop, then up into the space above it showing all its active applications. Right-click on the application you want to move and then on Move to, select the destination virtual desktop. There is an additional handy and related feature available if you are working in one virtual desktop and the application you want is already open on a different virtual desktop. Go to the taskbar and double-click on the seemingly unopened app icon. You will instantly be taken to the appropriate virtual desktop in the application.
Keyboardshortcuts.